Good morning and hello to the LinkedIn community. My name is Sam Shapiro and I am the founder and inventor of Vista Hook Eyewear. I would like to share with you some information that you may not know about. The first thing I'd like to share with you is, did any of you ever see this particular product? This was invented and developed and designed in 1921, which was World War I. This is a carabiner clip. People use these, you clip your keys onto them, etc. You've seen them on sanitizing bottles, etc., on water bottles. You can clip your water bottle onto anything. And now, I'd like to introduce you to the first Carabiner Sunglass. You clip them or hook them and go. The carabiner's built into the temple. You can clip them onto your belt loop. And let me show you how it works. Anyways, we couldn't find a model, so I guess I have to do it. So here, side view, and here, maybe a little zoom into the carabiner built into the temple. You take this off, you have the built-in carabiner, clip it onto your belt loop. Clip them and go. You can go anywhere and not forget your sunglasses. Take that off. You're going to work, which I have to go to now. So I'm going to clip it onto my briefcase. And away I go. Have a wonderful weekend. Yada, yada, yada.